when it comes to me, she got plenty. Now I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star. Baby, meet me at the bar. I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star. Baby, meet me at the bar. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
She's got that mean walk and them legs that turn heads. Down. She knows how to keep it real. She knows how to play the field. Down. You better get yours, cause you know she's gonna get hers. Down. So bad, so fine, and believe me, she'll blow your mind. Now I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star. Baby, meet me at the bar. I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star. Baby, meet me at the bar. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Everybody on the dance floor, what the hell you waiting for? Get down. Everybody in the club, go ahead, put your drinks up. Get down. Everybody in the honky tonk, them girls with the donkey dog. Get down. Everybody get loose tonight, everybody get loose tonight. Yeah, I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Let's learn I Want Some More of It. It's choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Want Some More of It. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side. You're going to recover back onto your left and quickly step your right next to your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, quickly step your left next to your right. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and you're going to do a right pony back, stepping back with your right foot, slightly hitching your left knee up. Step down on your left, step back with your right, and slightly hit your left knee up. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You're doing your rock to the side. Side rock, recover, ball side rock, recover, ball forward rock, recover, pony back. Section 2, you're going to rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, and you do a left triple forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a 3/4 walk with 4 runs. You want this to slightly make a curve on the floor to end facing 3 o'clock. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot, and you'll be at about 9 o'clock. You're now going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, and you'll be at about 6 o'clock. You now have a quarter turn to do 4 runs, stepping right, left, right, left. We're going to turn over our left shoulder, and you want this run to slightly finish your curve, so you're facing 3 o'clock. So you're going to make that quarter turn, stepping right, left, right, left. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. We're going to rock back with our left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. You want to keep those runs nice and small so that you're not traveling super far forward after that curve. Section 3, you're going to point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to hold, and then you're going to quickly step your right foot slightly across your left and forward. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side and hold, and then you're going to quickly step your left foot slightly over your right and forward, and then quickly point your right toe to the right side. Quickly step your right foot slightly over your left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left foot slightly over your right and then put your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward, and then step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts, and then we'll talk about the styling that you can do for that part. Weights on your left foot, you're going to point to the side. 1, hold, 2, and 3, hold, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Now, when you do those points, you want to slightly bend your knee, and they should slightly travel forward. You don't want to be taking huge steps forward, but nice, small, slight crossover step forward. So when you do those points, you want to bend those knees, bend, step, bend, step, bend. And when you get into your heels, you're going to straighten up to go into those heel switches. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do heel hook heel steps with the right and the left. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward. You're going to bring your right heel up to your left shin, bending your right knee, making a figure 4 with your right knee. Place your right heel forward and step your right next to your left. We're now going to do that with our left foot. You're going to place your left heel forward, bring your left heel up to your right shin, making a figure 4 with your left knee. Place your left heel forward and then quickly step your left next to your right. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to do a very slight step together with a slight step forward with your left foot, ready to go into the dance all over again. So now let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel hook heel step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to start with your rock to the right. Side rock, recover, ball side rock, recover, ball forward rock, recover, right pony, back, rock back, recover, triple forward, quarter, quarter, run, 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 point, hold step, point, hold step, point, step, heel step, heel step, heel hook, heel step, rock, recover, half together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're starting with your rocks. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now before we go around, your final wall of the dance, you'll be making your half turn to face 9 o'clock. What you want to do is when you do this rock recover, you're going to do your half stepping forward. You're going to change it from a step together to a quarter turn over your right shoulder so that you're facing 12 o'clock, and you can do a little bit of a pose. Put your hands on your hips, hands on your head, wherever you would like to do, as long as you're stepping to the side facing 12 o'clock. That's how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your side rocks. Side rock, recover, ball rock, recover, ball forward rock, recover, pony back, rock back, recover, triple forward, quarter, quarter, run, 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 point, hold step, point, hold step, point step, heel step, heel hook, heel step, rock, recover, half together, press side 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, inside rock, recover, ball rock, recover, ball forward rock, recover, pony back, rock back, recover, triple forward, quarter, run, 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 point, hold step, point, hold step, point step, heel step, heel hook, heel step, rock, recover, half together. Now your side rock, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You don't have to worry about anything until the last wall, when instead of stepping together, you'll make that extra quarter turn to face the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so that you can go and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. I want some more of it. If you have any questions, let me know.
Everybody on the dance floor, what the hell you waiting for? Get down. Everybody in the club. She knows how to play the field. You better get yours, cause you know she gon' get hers. So bad, so fine, and believe me, she'll blow your mind. Now I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star. Baby, meet me at the bar. I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star. Baby, meet me at the bar. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Everybody on the dance floor, what the hell you waiting for? Get down. Everybody in the club, go ahead, put your drink